Immunological tolerance. Unresponsiveness to an antigen that is induced by previous exposure to that antigen. When specific lymphocytes encounter antigens, the lymphocytes may be activated, leading to immune responses, or the cells may be inactivated or eliminated, leading to tolerance. Tolerance to self-antigens, also called self-tolerance, is a fundamental property of the normal immune system. Normal individuals are tolerant of their own self-antigens because the lymphocytes that recognize self-antigens are killed or inactivated or change their specificity. In a normal immune response, microbes stimulate the proliferation and differentiation of antigen-specific lymphocytes. Self-tolerance. Self-antigens may induce functional unresponsiveness or death of antigen-specific lymphocytes or a change in the specificity of the receptors, making these cells incapable of responding to the antigen. Here in this picture, we can see in central tolerance, immature lymphocytes, specific for self-antigens, may encounter these antigens in the generative lymphoid organs and are deleted. Change their specificity, B cells only. Or, in the case of CD4 plus T cells, develop into regulatory lymphocytes. Central tolerance occurs because during their maturation in the generative lymphoid organs, all lymphocytes pass through a stage in which encounter with antigen leads to cell death or the expression of new antigen receptors or a change in functional capabilities. In peripheral tolerance, some self-reactive lymphocytes may mature and enter peripheral tissues and may be inactivated or deleted by encounter with self-antigens in these tissues or are suppressed by the regulatory T cells. Peripheral tolerance occurs when mature lymphocytes that recognize self-antigens become incapable of responding to that antigen or lose their viability and become short-lived cells or are induced to die by apoptosis. Importance of immunological tolerance. Prevention of autoimmunity ensures that the immune system does not mount a response against self-antigens, which could lead to autoimmune diseases such as rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, and type 1 diabetes. Transplant acceptance. Helps in the acceptance of transplanted organs and tissues by preventing the immune system from attacking them as foreign invaders. Allergy management reduces allergic reactions by promoting tolerance to harmless environmental antigens like pollen, food, and animal dander. Maintaining homeostasis contributes to the overall balance and proper functioning of the immune system, allowing it to focus on genuine threats such as pathogens and cancer cells.